Juniper Secure Analytics Online Training. Introduction to Juniper Secure Analytics. Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, formerly known as QRadar, is a comprehensive security information and event management (CM) solution offered by Juniper Networks. It is designed to provide organizations with real-time visibility into their IT infrastructure's security posture by collecting and analyzing data from various sources such as network devices, servers, endpoints, applications, and more. Key features of Juniper Secure Analytics include log management, collects and normalizes log data from diverse sources across the network, providing a unified view of security events. Threat detection and intelligence uses advanced analytics and machine learning to detect and prioritize potential security threats based on real-time data analysis. Incident response facilitates rapid response to security incidents through automated workflows, real-time alerts, and actionable insights. Compliance and reporting helps organizations meet regulatory compliance requirements by providing audit trails, compliance reports, and customizable dashboards. Integration capabilities integrates with a wide range of third-party security tools and technologies, allowing for enhanced visibility and control over the entire IT environment. Scalability and performance, designed to handle large volumes of data and provide scalable performance to meet the needs of enterprise-level deployments. Architecture of Juniper Secure Analytics. Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, formerly known as QRadar, is a security information and event management (CM) system developed by Juniper Networks. Its architecture is designed to handle large volumes of security event and log data, providing real-time analysis and correlation to detect and mitigate security threats. Here's an overview of its architecture. Data collection. JSA collects data from various sources such as network devices, servers, applications, and security appliances. It supports a wide range of log formats and protocols to ensure comprehensive data collection. Event processing. Once data is collected, JSA normalizes and passes it into a common format for analysis. This process involves categorizing events, enriching data with contextual information, and preparing it for correlation. Correlation engine. The heart of JSA's functionality lies in its correlation engine. It analyzes incoming events and logs in real time, looking for patterns and relationships that may indicate security incidents or threats. This engine uses rules and algorithms to detect anomalies and potential attacks. Visualization and reporting. JSA provides a user-friendly interface for security analysts to visualize data, investigate incidents, and generate reports. Custom dashboards and reports can be created to monitor specific security metrics and compliance requirements. Storage and retention. Security event and log data are stored in a centralized database within JSA. This allows for historical analysis, forensic investigations, and compliance reporting over extended periods. Integration. JSA integrates with other security tools and systems, enhancing its capabilities through additional data sources and automated responses to threats. Scalability and high availability. To support enterprise-level environments, JSA is designed to be scalable and resilient. It can handle large volumes of data and is capable of clustering for high availability and load balancing. Incident response with Juniper Secure Analytics. Incident response with Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, involves several key steps to effectively detect, analyze, and respond to security incidents. Here's a detailed overview of the process. 1. Preparation. Policy development. Establish incident response policies and procedures. Training. Train staff on using JSA and conducting incident response. Tools and resources. Ensure JSA is properly configured and integrated with other security tools. 2. Detection and analysis. Log collection. Collect logs from various sources like firewalls, servers, and applications. Correlation. Use JSA's correlation engine to identify suspicious activities by correlating events from different sources. Alerts. Configure alerts for potential security incidents based on predefined rules. Investigation. Use JSA's forensic tools to investigate alerts, analyzing log data, network flows, and other relevant information. Threat intelligence. Integrate threat intelligence feeds to enrich the context of alerts and incidents. 3. Containment, eradication, and recovery. Containment. Implement short-term containment measures to prevent the incident from spreading. Eradication. Identify the root cause of the incident and remove malicious elements from the environment. Recovery. Restore affected systems to normal operations, ensuring that no vulnerabilities remain. 4. Post-incident activity. Documentation. Document all findings, actions taken, and lessons learned during the incident. Reporting. Generate detailed incident reports using JSA's reporting tools. Review. Conduct a post-incident review to assess the response and identify areas for improvement. Policy updates. Update incident response policies and procedures based on the lessons learned. Network performance optimization with Juniper Secure Analytics. Optimizing network performance using Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, involves several steps to ensure your network operates efficiently while maintaining robust security. Here are some key strategies and best practices. 1. Comprehensive network monitoring. Collect and analyze logs. Gather logs from various network devices, routers, switches, firewalls, and analyze them in JSA to identify performance bottlenecks or unusual activity. Real-time traffic monitoring. Utilize JSA's real-time traffic monitoring capabilities to observe network performance and identify potential issues immediately. 2. Baseline network performance. Establish baselines. Create performance baselines for normal network behavior. This helps in quickly identifying deviations that might indicate problems. Historical data analysis. Use historical data stored in JSA to understand past network performance trends and predict future issues. 3. Automated threat detection. Behavioral analysis. Implement behavioral analysis to detect anomalies that could affect network performance. JSA can help identify unusual patterns that might signify security threats or performance issues. Threat intelligence. Integrate threat intelligence feeds with JSA to stay updated on the latest threats and vulnerabilities that could impact network performance. 4. Incident response and management. Automated responses. Configure JSA to automatically respond to certain incidents, such as blocking malicious IP addresses or throttling traffic from suspicious sources. Incident tracking. Use JSA's incident management tools to track and resolve performance-related incidents efficiently. 5. Performance tuning. Rule optimization. Regularly review and optimize the correlation rules and alerts in JSA to ensure they are tuned to detect performance-related issues without generating too many false positives. Custom dashboards. Create custom dashboards in JSA to focus on performance metrics, making it easier to monitor key indicators at a glance. Data privacy and compliance considerations of Juniper Secure Analytics. Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, is a security information and event management (CM) solution that helps organizations detect, prioritize, and respond to threats. When considering data privacy and compliance with JSA, there are several key factors to keep in mind. Data privacy considerations. Data collection and storage. JSA collects and stores log data from various sources across the network. It's essential to ensure that the collection process complies with relevant data protection laws, such as GDPR, CCPA, or HIPAA. Ensure that sensitive data, such as personally identifiable information, PII, is adequately protected through encryption and access controls. Data anonymization and masking. Consider implementing data anonymization or masking techniques to protect sensitive information while still allowing for effective threat detection and analysis. Access controls. Implement strict access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive data within JSA. Use role-based access control, RBAC, to limit access based on job responsibilities. Data retention policies. Define and enforce data retention policies to ensure that data is not kept longer than necessary. Regularly review and purge old data in accordance with legal and organizational requirements. Encryption. Use strong encryption methods for data at rest and in transit to protect against unauthorized access and breaches. Compliance considerations. Regulatory requirements. Ensure that JSA is configured to meet the specific compliance requirements of your industry and region, such as GDPR for data protection in Europe, HIPAA for healthcare data in the US, and PCI DSS for payment card data. Audit and reporting. JSA provides detailed logging and reporting capabilities. Use these features to generate compliance reports and maintain an audit trail of security events. Scalability and performance of Juniper Secure Analytics. Optimizing network performance using Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, involves several steps to ensure your network operates efficiently while maintaining robust security. Here are some key strategies and best practices. 1. Comprehensive network monitoring. Collect and analyze logs. Gather logs from various network devices, routers, switches, firewalls, and analyze them in JSA to identify performance bottlenecks or unusual activity. Real-time traffic monitoring. Utilize JSA's real-time traffic monitoring capabilities to observe network performance and identify potential issues immediately. 2. Baseline network performance. Establish baselines, create performance baselines for normal network behavior. This helps in quickly identifying deviations that might indicate problems. Historical data analysis. Use historical data stored in JSA to understand past network performance trends and predict future issues. 3. Automated threat detection. Behavioral analysis. Implement behavioral analysis to detect anomalies that could affect network performance. JSA can help identify unusual patterns that might signify security threats or performance issues. Threat intelligence. Integrate threat intelligence feeds with JSA to stay updated on the latest threats and vulnerabilities that could impact network performance. 4. Incident response and management. Automated responses. Configure JSA to automatically respond to certain incidents, such as blocking malicious IP addresses or throttling traffic from suspicious sources. Incident tracking. Use JSA's incident management tools to track and resolve performance-related incidents efficiently. 5. Performance tuning. Rule optimization. Regularly review and optimize the correlation rules and alerts in JSA to ensure they are tuned to detect performance-related issues without generating too many false positives. Custom dashboards. Create custom dashboards in JSA to focus on performance metrics, making it easier to monitor key indicators at a glance. What is the role of analytics in network security? Analytics plays a critical role in network security by providing the tools and insights necessary to detect, respond to, and prevent security threats. Here are some key roles analytics plays in network security. Threat detection. Analytics can help identify unusual patterns or anomalies in network traffic that may indicate a security threat, such as malware, ransomware, or unauthorized access attempts. By using machine learning and statistical models, analytics tools can distinguish between normal and suspicious behavior. Incident response. Once a threat is detected, analytics can help security teams understand the scope and nature of the incident. This includes identifying affected systems, the attack vector, and the potential impact. Analytics tools can also assist in automating response actions, such as isolating compromised devices. Threat hunting. Security analysts use analytics to proactively search for hidden threats within the network. This involves analyzing historical data to uncover indicators of compromise, IOCs, that were not detected in real time. User and Entity Behavior Analytics. UBA. By monitoring the behavior of users and devices, analytics can detect deviations from normal patterns that may indicate insider threats or compromised accounts. UBA can help identify malicious activities that traditional security measures might miss. Risk assessment. Analytics helps in assessing the overall security posture of an organization. By analyzing vulnerabilities, threat intelligence, and historical incident data, security teams can prioritize risks and allocate resources effectively. Compliance and reporting. Analytics tools can assist in meeting regulatory compliance requirements by providing detailed logs, audit trails, and reports on security events and incidents. This helps organizations demonstrate adherence to security policies and standards. Predictive analytics. By analyzing trends and patterns in security data, predictive analytics can forecast potential future threats and vulnerabilities. This enables organizations to take proactive measures to strengthen their defenses. Optimization of security operations. Analytics can help optimize the performance of security tools and processes. By providing insights into the effectiveness of different security measures, organizations can fine-tune their security strategies for better protection and efficiency. How does Juniper Secure Analytics enhance threat detection? Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, enhances threat detection through several key features and capabilities designed to improve the accuracy and efficiency of security monitoring and incident response. Here's how it achieves this. Advanced Correlation and Analytics. JSA uses sophisticated correlation algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, such as logs, network traffic, and endpoint data. By correlating disparate events, it can identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate a security threat. Machine learning and behavioral analytics. Leveraging machine learning, JSA can detect sophisticated threats by learning normal behaviors and flagging deviations. This helps in identifying zero-day attacks and advanced persistent threats, APTs, that traditional signature-based methods might miss. Real-time threat intelligence. JSA integrates threat intelligence feeds to provide real-time data on emerging threats. This integration helps in quickly identifying and responding to new vulnerabilities and attack vectors, enhancing the overall threat detection capability. Scalable architecture. The platform is designed to handle large volumes of data, ensuring that it can scale with the growing needs of an organization. This scalability is crucial for maintaining performance and effectiveness in detecting threats across diverse and extensive IT environments. Customizable dashboards and reporting. JSA offers customizable dashboards and reporting tools, allowing security teams to focus on the most critical threats and visualize data in ways that enhance situational awareness. This customization aids in quicker decision-making and response. Automated response and orchestration. With built-in automation and orchestration capabilities, JSA can automate responses to detected threats, reducing the time to mitigate and contain incidents. This automation helps in managing the response process more efficiently, reducing the workload on security teams. Integration with other security tools. JSA is designed to integrate seamlessly with other security solutions, such as firewalls, endpoint protection, and other CM, security information and event management, systems. This interoperability ensures a unified security posture and enhances the threat detection and response workflow. User and Entity Behavior Analytics. UBA. By analyzing user and entity behaviors, JSA can detect unusual activities that may indicate insider threats or compromised accounts. This capability is essential for identifying threats that originate from within the organization. How does Juniper Secure Analytics integrate with existing network infrastructure? Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, integrates with existing network infrastructure by providing a centralized platform for security information and event management, CM. Here's how it achieves integration. Data collection. Log management. JSA collects logs from various devices, applications, and systems across the network. This includes routers, switches, firewalls, servers, and endpoint devices. Network flow data. It can capture and analyze network flow data to provide insights into traffic patterns and detect anomalies. Direct integration. JSA integrates directly with Juniper Networks devices and can also collect data from non-Juniper devices through standard protocols such as syslog, SNMP, and APIs. Normalization and correlation. Normalization. Collected data is normalized into a common format, allowing for consistent analysis across diverse data sources. Correlation. JSA correlates data from different sources to identify patterns, detect threats, and provide context-aware alerts. This helps in recognizing complex attack vectors that span multiple systems and devices. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Dashboards. JSA provides customizable dashboards for real-time monitoring of security events and network activity. Alerts. Configurable alerting mechanisms notify administrators of suspicious activities or potential security breaches in real time. Compliance and reporting. Compliance. JSA supports compliance with various regulatory standards by providing predefined and customizable reports. This includes standards like PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. Reporting. It generates detailed reports that help in auditing, forensic analysis, and demonstrating compliance. How does Juniper Secure Analytics handle data privacy and compliance? Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, addresses data privacy and compliance through a combination of advanced security features, robust data management, and adherence to regulatory standards. Here are some key ways JSA handles these aspects. Data encryption. JSA uses encryption to protect data both at rest and in transit. This ensures that sensitive information remains secure from unauthorized access or breaches. Access controls. JSA implements strict access controls, including role-based access control, RBAC, to ensure that only authorized personnel can access specific data and system functions. This minimizes the risk of insider threats and unauthorized data access. Audit logs. Comprehensive logging and auditing capabilities are integral to JSA. These logs track user activities, system events, and access to sensitive data, providing a detailed audit trail that can be used for compliance reporting and forensic investigations. Compliance reporting. JSA includes pre-built and customizable compliance reports that help organizations meet regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, and others. These reports simplify the process of demonstrating compliance to auditors and regulators. Data anonymization and masking. To further protect privacy, JSA can anonymize or mask sensitive data. This ensures that personally identifiable information, PII, is not exposed even if the data is accessed or analyzed. Security monitoring and threat detection. JSA continuously monitors network traffic, user activities, and system behaviors to detect and respond to potential security threats. This proactive approach helps to identify and mitigate risks that could lead to data breaches or non-compliance. Policy enforcement. JSA allows organizations to define and enforce security policies that align with their data privacy and compliance requirements. These policies can automatically trigger alerts, block activities, or initiate remediation actions in response to policy violations. Regular updates and patching. Juniper Networks regularly updates JSA to address new security vulnerabilities and compliance requirements. This ensures that the system remains secure and aligned with the latest regulatory standards. How does Juniper Secure Analytics support incident response? Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, supports incident response through various features and capabilities designed to detect, analyze, and respond to security incidents efficiently. Here's how JSA aids in incident response. 1. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Continuous monitoring. JSA continuously monitors network traffic, system logs, and security events to detect anomalies and potential threats. Customizable alerts. It generates real-time alerts based on predefined rules and thresholds, allowing security teams to respond promptly to suspicious activities. 2. Advanced threat detection. Behavioral analysis. JSA uses behavioral analysis to identify deviations from normal patterns, helping to detect sophisticated threats that traditional signature-based methods might miss. Correlation engine. The platform correlates data from various sources to provide a comprehensive view of potential threats, reducing false positives and highlighting true incidents. 3. Comprehensive data collection. Log management. JSA collects and aggregates logs from a wide range of sources, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and endpoints, providing a centralized repository for forensic analysis. Network flow analysis. It captures and analyzes network flow data to identify suspicious patterns and potential breaches. 4. Incident investigation. Root cause analysis. JSA helps security teams perform root cause analysis by providing detailed event data and contextual information about security incidents. Drill down capabilities. Analysts can drill down into specific events and activities to understand the sequence of actions leading to an incident. 5. Automated response. Actionable intelligence. The platform provides actionable intelligence that helps in decision-making and determining the appropriate response to incidents. Automated workflows. JSA can automate certain response actions, such as blocking malicious IP addresses or isolating compromised systems, to contain threats quickly. How does Juniper Secure Analytics help in network performance optimization? Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, helps in network performance optimization through several key mechanisms. 1. Comprehensive visibility. JSA provides comprehensive visibility into network traffic, helping to identify patterns and anomalies. This visibility enables network administrators to detect and address performance bottlenecks promptly. 2. Behavioral analysis. JSA leverages behavioral analysis to detect unusual patterns that could indicate performance issues. By understanding normal network behavior, JSA can identify deviations that may impact performance, such as sudden spikes in traffic or unusual data flows. 3. Advanced threat detection. While primarily focused on security, JSA's threat detection capabilities also contribute to performance optimization. Identifying and mitigating security threats reduces the impact of malicious activities on network performance. For example, JSA can detect and block DDoS attacks, which can significantly degrade network performance. 4. Root cause analysis. JSA provides tools for root cause analysis, helping administrators quickly identify the underlying causes of performance issues. By pinpointing the exact source of a problem, it allows for more efficient resolution, reducing downtime and performance degradation. 5. Automated response. With its automated response capabilities, JSA can automatically take actions to mitigate identified issues. This includes rerouting traffic, adjusting resource allocations, or even isolating affected network segments to prevent widespread performance degradation. 6. Reporting and dashboards. JSA offers customizable reporting and dashboards that provide real-time insights into network performance metrics. These tools enable continuous monitoring and proactive management of network performance. 7. Integration with other tools. JSA integrates with other network management and monitoring tools, enhancing its capabilities to optimize performance. This integration allows for a more holistic approach to network management, combining security insights with performance data. 8. Capacity planning. By analyzing historical data and trends, JSA aids in capacity planning, helping to ensure that the network can handle expected loads. This proactive approach prevents performance issues related to insufficient capacity. What are the deployment options for Juniper Secure Analytics? Juniper Secure Analytics, JSA, can be deployed in several ways to meet various security and scalability needs. Here are the primary deployment options. All-in-one appliance. Suitable for small to medium-sized environments. All components, console, event processor, and data node are integrated into a single appliance. Simplifies deployment and management. Distributed deployment. Ideal for larger environments requiring higher performance and scalability. Components are separated across multiple appliances. Console, central management and user interface. Event processor, collects and processes security events. Data node, stores security events and data. Allows for scalability by adding more processors or storage as needed. Virtual appliance. Offers flexibility for deployment in virtualized environments. Can be deployed on popular hypervisors like VMware ES11. Suitable for environments with existing virtualization infrastructure or where physical hardware is not preferred. Cloud deployment. JSA can be deployed in public or private cloud environments. Provides the flexibility to leverage cloud infrastructure and scalability. Useful for organizations with cloud-first strategies or hybrid environments. Hybrid deployment. Combines on-premises and cloud-based components. Allows for a mix of physical, virtual, and cloud deployments to meet specific needs. Provides the benefits of both on-premises control and cloud scalability. Why choose ProExcellency for Juniper Secure Analytics online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Juniper Secure Analytics online training can offer several advantages. Experienced instructors. Pro Excellency typically employs instructors who are industry experts with extensive experience in Juniper Secure Analytics. This ensures that you receive high-quality training from professionals who understand the practical applications of the software. Comprehensive curriculum. Their courses are designed to cover all essential aspects of Juniper Secure Analytics, including installation, configuration, monitoring, and troubleshooting. This thorough approach ensures that you gain a complete understanding of the platform. Hands-on training. Pro Excellency often emphasizes hands-on training, allowing you to practice what you learn in real time. This practical experience is crucial for mastering the skills needed to effectively use Juniper Secure Analytics in a professional setting. Flexible scheduling. Online training with Pro Excellency can offer flexible scheduling options, making it easier to fit the coursework into your busy life. This is especially beneficial for working professionals who need to balance training with other commitments. Access to resources. Enrolling in Pro Excellency's courses may provide you with access to a wealth of resources, including study materials, recorded sessions, and a community of learners and professionals. These resources can enhance your learning experience and provide support when you need it. Certification preparation. Their training programs often include preparation for certification exams, helping you to validate your skills and knowledge with industry-recognized credentials. Career support. Pro Excellency might also offer career support services such as resume building, interview preparation, and job placement assistance, which can be valuable as you look to advance your career in network security. Thank you.